So don't lecture us to tell us to listen to the people of Kenya. It is you, when you are in power, because of impunity, because of state capture, because you thought you were a god that the people of Kenya should be worshipping, you had no temerity to listen to the people of Kenya. I want to tell you, my friend, today we have a government that is listening to the people of Kenya. The only thing, Your Excellency, I will tell you not to listen to. Usisikize hawa watu wa kukuambia ati watakutisha na maandamano, na wakifanya maandamano waweke wakora huko ndani, wapige watu, ati wanasponsor bungiki na wanawapea pesa na bunduki wapige watu risasi ili wasingizie polisi wale watu wanapiga risasi. Rais, kaa ngumu nani? Kaa ngumu rais. Usiachie watu nafasi kuleta fujo kwa Kenya. Today you are the commander in chief. And being commander in chief, Your Excellency, means that millions of the Kenyan children today look up to you for protection. They look up to you to safeguard their lives and the property of their parents who are educating them. Anybody who is interfering with the livelihood and the lives of the Kenyan people, including our children and the millions of Kenyan children who look up to you, please deal with him